Hello everyone. This is today. It's not a Latvian language, but it's the day of independence, renew independence of Republic Latvia, and I have history about it. On 1990 year 4 in May, the Supreme Council of the Latvian SSR adopted a declaration on the restoration of the independence of the Republic of Latvia and also established a transition period from the Supreme Council of the Republic of Latvia to the convocation of the Saeima, it is Latvian Parliament. This event is in honor of 1990 year, the 3rd in October. The law on holidays on days of remembrance was implemented by 4th May, and this day was marked as a memorial day with the official title Day of Proclamation of the Declaration of the Independence of the Republic of Latvia. Since 2002, on 9 December 2009 April, this day was fixed as a holiday. On 2007, the 12th December 2014, in June, adopted amendments to the law on holidays, remembrance and commemorative days, which states that if 12th May falls on a Saturday or Sunday, then the next working day is a day off. On 27 of the year in April, President Valdis Zatlers then signed amendments which established the redesignation of the holiday as the Day of Restoration of Independence of the Republic of Latvia. So, congratulations Latvia for the Independence Day of Latvia. So, goodbye.